She drive me crazy, I do that shit on the daily. Up on my side and he carry that melee. I down the bottle, now I'm feeling hazy. Got in them 30, hopped out the Mercedes. Crazy, I do that shit on the daily. Up on my side and he carry that melee. I down the bottle, now I'm feeling hazy. Got in them 30, hopped out the Mercedes.
Baby, I know that I drive you crazy lately, feeling like a nigga's trying to play me. So maybe I ain't playing games like Atari. Slide on the board like a nigga playing sorry. Niggas talking shit, never faze me. Bad attitude like fuck you, pay me. Get into the money, I don't really want your thought shit. Got a couple brothers pulling triggers with the optics. Slummier than slide, I'm some young thugger off shit. Shop it to your back, you a lame, you ain't walking no more. Walking even Marcus and I came in with some DR. Spent a couple racks and then I came out with like
She drive me crazy, I do that shit on the daily. Up on my side and he carry that melee. I down the bottle, now I'm feeling hazy. Got in them 30, hopped out the Mercedes. She drive me crazy, I do that shit on the daily. Up on my side and he carry that melee. I down the bottle, now I'm feeling hazy. Got in them 30, hopped out the Mercedes. Baby, why you keep calling my phone? Said lately, you need to lower your tone. I go crazy when you ain't in no more. If you hate me, why don't you just get on my side? And you face me, really got me fucked up, yeah. You crazy, really got a fucked up head. Said you hate me, got me wishing I was dead. You played me, now I feel like nothing can faze me.
She driving me crazy on the daily. Going 80 in my brand new Mercedes.
She drive me crazy, I do that shit on the daily. Up on my side and he carry that melee. I down the bottle, now I'm feeling hazy. Got in them 30, hopped out the Mercedes. She drive me crazy, I do that shit on the daily. Up on my side and he carry that melee. I down the bottle, now I'm feeling hazy. Got in them 30, hopped out the Mercedes.
Lovesick, do you hear the pain in my voice? I need you in my arms, but I know I'm just a choice. Oh shit, tell me how you feel about me. Just hit midnight, I can't stand on my feet. What you doing? Who do you love? Is it me? Tell me what's good, how you been lately? Am I good enough? Can I call you later? I need you with me, it's my only favorite. Baby girl, I really wanna know. We can dance all night, or we can take it slow. I just wanna hold your hand, I don't wanna let go. Said I wanna be with you, and that's the only way I know. Like what? You don't feel the same. Tell me what can I do to make that mindset change? Is it the way that I am, or the way that I'll be? You won't give me an answer, I can't stand feeding. Like I've been on my own, stay with me. I don't wanna have another girl to make me see the real you. It makes me complete. Don't make me fall down in my own thoughts. So girl, I just wanna show you something. I know that you wanna throw something to say. And it's not my name, I'm trying to get to your love and I'm running late. They said she wasn't yours, it was just your turn. I believe it now, cause you left me hurt. Now my heart's ripped up with a million burns, and all I ever did to you was give me no concerns. Yeah, lovesick, do you hear the pain in my voice? I need you in my arms, but I know I'm just a choice. Oh shit, tell me how you feel about me. Just hit midnight, I can't stand on my feet. What you doing? Who do you love? Is it me? Tell me what's good, how you been lately? Am I good enough? Can I call you later? I need you with me, it's my only favorite. Lovesick, do you hear the pain in my voice? I need you in my arms, but I know I'm just a choice. Oh shit, tell me how you feel about me. Just hit midnight, I can't stand on my feet. What you doing? Who do you love? Is it me? Tell me what's good, how you been lately? Am I good enough? Can I call you later? I need you with me, it's my only favorite.